Merry Christmas and welcome to the 2015 Microwave Me Christmas Special. This year, I'm going to be microwaving some bubble lights. Most of you are probably not old enough to remember when these were a regular thing. I had a hard time finding a whole string of them, so I'm just going to do a 7-pack of bubble lights. Okay, here's the bubble lights in the microwave. Now it's time to get microwaving. Well, I was hoping that some of the bubbles would pop, but caught fire first, and it caught fire pretty bad. It looks like something popped, maybe one of the bulbs. All the bubble things still look intact. Anyways, I'm going to have to say, choosing between whether this was a naughty or nice experiment, this was pretty naughty. I mean, it was a very dangerous thing with how it caught fire, and oh, them fumes. Well, anyways, I hope you have a Merry Christmas. And be sure to post in the comments what you liked about the video, whether you liked the video or not, your favorite kind of Christmas lights, your favorite Christmas episode I've done. Just please comment. I get a decent amount of views and likes, but not many of you comment. I reply to comments unlike most YouTubers, so please let me know what you think of this episode.